Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're going to look at a Tecumseh carburetor. Last year, I had swapped it out with one I got off Amazon, and it worked perfect for the whole winter. However, now that fall is coming, I can't get this thing to start. So I think the best thing I'm going to do is get the old carburetor put back on. The carburetor bowl has a little button on the bottom that you push and it dump gas out. Well, I did that on the one outside, and now it no longer seals. That's why I'm going to try to swap it back out to the original. It was $20 for a carburetor off Amazon. It worked for the winter. Now it's time to shut it down and get the OEM one back up and running. I got some tools right there to get me going. I think the first thing we're going to do is use some brake cleaner that I got right here, and we are going to spray it down and try to clean it up as best as we can. A good thing with some brake clean, it actually sprays it off really quickly, get all that grime and shit off. Got a blowgun here. So I already had this apart last year, but I didn't really spend too much time. So that main mixture screw nut on the bottom is already loose. That's why I'm able to spin it out with my fingers. Got that out of the way. Gonna move the float bowl, and then we're gonna get the bowl and the needle seat out. So I'm hoping, just pull that pin out, put that pin over there. We're gonna pull this float. We got that needle. Excellent. Alright, so I got those apart. Sprayed in there, so we're gonna spray some brake cleaner in there, then blow her out. First off, I'm gonna stick the brake clean in here. So that is clear. Gonna go in here. That's shot out for sure. There's some crap. And now we're just gonna get a closer look in there. So I can see light through there. I'll try to get better focus on there. I can see light in there really good now. Before it looked like something was kind of blocking it. If I shine light there, now you can see that good. So that's all good. There still is one little port on the side right in there. But what I need to do is remove the idle mixture screw and do some inspection and clean that part out as well. So it's a half turn. Looks like a half turn is all it was. So let's just pull this out. Let's have a look at that. I'll spray that down. Perfect. Set that aside for right now. Now I'm gonna look in there. Alright, does look like something's kind of blocked. Does look like it. Let's give her a shot in here. Well, something leaking out there now. I'm gonna be very careful. Just kind of shooting some air in there. Okay. There's like an orifice right in the back there. Okay, that's clear. I know that much. Let's shoot this one on the side I was talking about. Let's shoot some air in there. Definitely feel air coming out between my fingers, front and back. So it does work. I have this little brass washer come out. I'll go right down in there, get there, back in there, so I can screw that back into place. Where did I put my little screw? Right here. Put that in. Before I put this carburetor back in the snowblower, I need to set the screws up properly. Both of them are going to be set at roughly about 1 1/4 each before I start her up. So I carefully put the float bowl back into place. We're going to get that in. Come on. There we go. Got that floated in. I'm going to put this in. I'm going to screw this in lightly for now, because I'm not 100% sure how it's going to fit, and I got to screw this in because I got to see what the settings are. Other than that, I think this carburetor is good to go. I think we're ready. We clean this up. There's definitely some issues with this for sure. There was some ports in there that definitely were a little bit plugged up, if not fully plugged up. We're going to hook this back up to the snowblower, and we're going to see if we can get her going. That's going to be a different video. However, we did a pretty good job cleaning this. So if you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.